This 1969 Dodge Super Bee 383 4-speed is the subject of this week's Autopsy Report. Left-hand lower corner, left to right, bottom to top. E63 383 high-performance Magnum engine. D21, that's your 4-speed heavy-duty transmission. WM21 means it is a Coronet and a Super Bee, and it's a 2-door post, meaning the back windows, the quarter windows, pop out. H9G, the H means 383 Magnum, the 9 is the model year 1969, and G means it was built in St. Louis, Missouri. 110525 is the unique serial number. F8 is the green body color. The next one in this particular place is also the body color, F8. H2X means it has a bench seat, all vinyl and black. X9, upper door frame paint. In this case, X9 means black. 827 is a scheduled production date, August 27th, 1969. 118520, that's the shipping order number. It appears only on the broadcast sheet. A04, basic radio group. We haven't had that before, and we'll go into it a little more later, but in this particular case, it means it has an AM radio. It also, in this case, means it has the bench seat and could have power brakes, amongst other things. This one doesn't have power brakes. A62, Rally Instrument Cluster. G33, left-hand outside chrome remote control mirror. J25, 3-speed wipers. L31, fender-mounted turn signal indicators. M21, drip rail moldings. N85 means tachometer. R11, AM radio. V1F, Victor 1 Foxtrot, means it has a green vinyl roof. Victor 8 X-ray, the tape-on black bumblebee stripe with the cool little bee in the middle of it. END means it's the end of the sales code. Also happens to mean it's the end of this week's Autopsy Report.
You are a bold and courageous person, afraid of nothing. High on a hilltop near your home, there stands a dilapidated old mansion. Some say the place is haunted, but you don't believe in such myths.